Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, dive.
Starting off our first match of the day, we have ranks 1, 4, and 6 going against the Red Alliance. 1 L3 and 1 L4 on the Red Reef. We have 3 L4 corals on the Blue Reef. High Tide picking up an algae. Autonomous ending, Blues in the lead, 30-16. 6-10, Crescent Coyotes lining up for a level 4 coral placement. That gets on. 95-34, Wolves Robotics has headed over to the blue side of the field, doing some defense on High Tide, who's lining up to place a coral on their reef. Vitruvian Bots taking an algae off of the reef, throwing it right off. High Tide putting that L4 coral on. 4400 doing the same for the Blue Alliance. 8015 lining up with a coral, while 610 puts a level 4 coral on. 8015 lands in the L1. Robotics lining up for another level 4 coral, and that goes on. Team 610 grabbing a coral from their coral station and heading over, trying to fill up that 4th level of their reef. High Tide picking up coral off the ground while Vitruvian Bots takes from the coral station. High Tide placing in level 1, Vitruvian Bots on level 4. Just under a minute and a half to go, 86-43, Blue with a strong lead. Robotics throwing algae to the other side of the field, trying to clear up that reef. Robotics now placing on level 3. I think they're going to try to go for that coral ranking point. That means they're going to need 4 levels of their reef to have at least 5 pieces. Team 610, level 3 coral placement lining up, trying to get that on. It slides right on. Vitruvian Bots also placing a level 3 coral, this time on the Blue Reef. 4400 doing the same. High Tide going for a level 4. That Blue Reef is just filling up with coral. 2 of the 4 levels now have at least 5 pieces on them with 30 seconds to go. Blue still holding their lead, 110-62. Robotics trying to place. It goes on level 1. 8015, the Cheetahs lining up to place on level 2. It slides right on. That sonar ping means it's time to climb. 95-34 going to the red barge zone. 145-73. Blue has reached the coral ranking point with about 5 seconds to go. High Tide trying to get up in the air. They are off the ground just barely. 44. Official scores will be out in a moment. It's going to be the Blue Alliance winning this match with a score of 162-86. They get all 6 ranking points. The 3 bonuses coming from Autonomous, Coral, and Barge. High Tide keeping their rank at rank 1.